Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are bringing you another knitting tutorial on how to do buttonholes. So this is actually the buttonhole from the Antonia Ruana, which is February 2020's free pattern of the month. To complete this tutorial, you need two items. The first, of course, is your yarn. Today we are using Joy Yellow in color number 99. And of course you need your needles. So today we are using a US 7 or 4.5 millimeters. So as you can see, I have my little buttonhole right here. Buttonholes can be tailored to however large you want your button to be. This is just following the pattern for the Antonia Ruana. However, you can make it as wide or even smaller if you like. So I have knit up a little garter stitch sample here just because all of the buttonholes are in garter stitch rows. So let's get started. So the first thing that I'm going to do is just knit up my first couple stitches here. I cast on 20 stitches just so you guys would have a little bit of a decent sized swatch. However, you can cast on as many as you want or whatever your pattern calls for. So I am going to knit 9 stitches until I get to the center 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So the first thing that you are going to do to cast is cast off 2 stitches. So to cast off, all you need to do is knit 1, knit 2, and cast that knit stitch off over the last one. So again, we're going to cast off one more, so you knit 1, and then take that last stitch that you knit over and off the needle. So you have just cast off 2 stitches. And then you just continue working the row until you get to the end. So that is it for your first row of the buttonhole. So then when you get to the back side, because I'm knitting in garter stitch, of course I'm going to just keep knitting along. I'm going to knit 9 again until I get to those center 2 where I had cast off. And you will note you got to your cast off stitches because there is a big gap in the fabric right here. You can see those 2 rows where I had cast off. So then what you're going to do is cast on another 2 stitches. So for this, we are going to use just the most basic of cast-ons. This is the same cast-on that I use in our Knitting Basics tutorial. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to hold your yarn in your left hand and wrap it around your thumb so that the part connecting to the knitting is going around the back of your thumb. And then I just kind of hold it in my fingers here just so you can keep it secure and it's not all loose and floppy. Then you're just going to take your right needle and wrap it under and through so you can see a little figure 8 in the yarn right here and pull. Again, you're going to take your yarn and take your needle under and through that loop and pull down. So that's it. You just cast on 2 stitches. Then just continue knitting your row as normal. And that's really it, you guys. So when you get to those 2 cast on stitches, you're just going to knit as you normally would, and you can see the little buttonhole that I have made right here. So you can of course tailor this. If you want a larger buttonhole, you can cast off 3 stitches, 4 stitches, 5 stitches, whatever your pattern calls for or whatever you think you may need based off of your gauge and the project you're working on. However, for the Antonia Ruana, we just needed a small buttonhole, so we cast off 2. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. We hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you leave a like and comment down below and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.